Right now, one story is quietly shaking politics, law, and international relations, and many people do not fully understand what is truly happening behind the headlines. The story is about Nnamdi Kanu, the United Kingdom, Nigeria, and a very strong accusation coming from his international lawyer. As you listen, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss updates on this developing story. The big question many people are asking today is simple but serious. Is the United Kingdom getting ready to step into the Nnamdi Kanu case, or is this another round of pressure that may not lead anywhere? According to what is currently known, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer has openly accused the UK government of keeping quiet while one of its own citizens is allegedly suffering serious rights violations.
This accusation is heavy, and it has opened a new chapter in an already complicated matter. Nnamdi Kanu is a British citizen by law, and that fact alone is very important. His lawyer is saying that if this were another British citizen in another part of the world, the reaction from the UK government would have been faster and louder. As you are following this story, please tap the like button and subscribe, because we break these issues down in a way everyone can understand. The lawyer claims that Kanu was taken unlawfully from another country and brought back to Nigeria without following proper international legal steps. According to him, this process broke several international rules. He says this is not just a Nigerian matter, but a global justice issue.
The lawyer also alleges that Kanu has been subjected to harsh treatment while in detention, including long isolation and denial of proper access to care. These claims are what sparked the strong language used in the headline, especially the phrase about silence. What makes this story more sensitive is that the UK government has not publicly made a strong statement rejecting or confirming these claims. This silence is what the lawyer is attacking. He believes that silence in this situation sends a message that some lives and some citizens matter more than others. This is his position, and it has triggered serious debate online and offline. If you are following this analysis, please remember to like this video and subscribe so more people can see it. On the other side, the Nigerian government maintains that Nnamdi Kanu was lawfully tried and convicted. Nigerian authorities insist that the court process was followed and that national security concerns were central to the case. From their point of view, the matter is closed legally, even if emotions remain high politically. This difference in perspective is what keeps the issue alive and tense. Now, let us be very clear so nobody gets confused. As of now, there is no official statement from the UK Prime Minister saying that Nnamdi Kanu will be released. There is no confirmed plan announced publicly by the British government to secure his freedom. What exists right now is pressure, legal arguments, and public advocacy. Please like this video and subscribe, because facts matter more than rumors. However,
the involvement of an international lawyer writing directly to the UK leadership changes the tone of the conversation. It moves the issue from local politics into international diplomacy. Once such letters are sent, governments are forced to respond in one way or another, even if that response is private at first. This is why many observers believe something is happening quietly behind the scenes. Supporters of Nnamdi Kanu believe that international pressure is the only path left. They argue that Nigerian courts have failed to address what they see as fundamental problems in how he was brought back into the country. To them, this is not about supporting violence or unrest, but about correcting a process they believe was flawed from the beginning. As you listen, do not forget to like and subscribe so you stay informed. Critics, however, argue that no country should be forced by external pressure to reverse its court decisions. They say Nigeria must be allowed to enforce its laws and protect its security without interference. According to this view, international pressure could set a dangerous example where local courts are weakened by foreign influence. This is why the UK's next move, or continued silence, is being watched very closely. Even silence in diplomacy is a form of communication. It can mean caution, negotiation, or refusal. Nobody outside government offices knows for sure which one it is right now. Please like this video and subscribe as we continue to monitor this situation. What makes this case emotionally powerful is the human angle. Beyond politics and law, there is a man in detention, a family waiting, supporters demanding justice, and a nation divided in opinion.
These human elements are why the story refuses to fade away, no matter how long it has been in the news. Another important part of this story is how it affects Nigeria's image internationally. Human rights organizations and foreign observers often use cases like this to judge how a country handles dissent and legal disputes. This does not automatically mean those judgments are fair, but perception matters in global politics. Please remember to like and subscribe as we explain these issues clearly. For the UK, the challenge is balancing diplomacy with responsibility to its citizens. Speaking too loudly could strain relations with Nigeria, while staying quiet could attract criticism at home and abroad. This balancing act is delicate, and governments usually move slowly in such cases. At this point, many Nigerians are asking whether dialogue would have been a better option from the beginning. Some believe that political solutions often succeed where legal battles fail. Others insist that the rule of law must always come first. This debate has no easy answers, and that is why it continues to divide opinions. As the days pass, any small statement from the UK, Nigeria, or international bodies could change the direction of this story. That is why staying updated is important. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss future updates.